Did you see the latest on the Hello Agents project? It's shifting the focus from just training big models to creating smarter agent applications.
Right? It's fascinating how they're emphasizing practical applications over just theoretical knowledge. This could really change the game.
Exactly, and they mentioned 2025 being the agent era. I mean, what do they mean by that? Are we talking about a fundamental shift in how we use AI?
Well, I think it implies that we're moving towards more interactive and dynamic AI systems, not just static models. That's pretty exciting.
Totally, but I wonder, doesn't that assume everyone has the technical know-how to build these agents? What about accessibility?
That's a good point. They do aim to make it accessible. Like, they're offering a systematic learning guide that builds from the basics.
True, and there's a hands-on approach, which is brilliant. They want users to go from being consumers to creators.
Right? But what about those who might struggle with the technical side? Could this create a divide?
I can see that happening. Not everyone has a programming background. They might feel left out of the agent revolution.
Exactly. They do highlight having a basic understanding of Python as a prerequisite. That's a bit of a hurdle.
But once you get past that, they're offering a comprehensive journey through agent building from theory to implementation. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, they really break it down into parts, starting with foundational concepts and moving to advanced techniques like memory systems.
Memory systems in agents, that sounds complex. How does that even work in practice?
So, it's about creating agents that can recall past interactions to make better decisions moving forward. It mimics human memory.
Wow, that's like giving the agent a brain. But does that mean they can also forget things? Like, is there room for learning and adaptation?
Great question. They do touch on that. The goal is to have agents that adapt over time, improving their responses based on experiences.
That could lead to some really interesting applications, like personal assistants that get to know you better over time.
For sure, but there's also the ethical side to consider. How do we ensure these agents don't reinforce biases?
Absolutely, that's a huge concern. If they learn from biased data, their memory could perpetuate those biases. It's a tricky balance.
Exactly. And the document mentions the importance of responsible AI, so they're aware of these challenges.
That's reassuring, but let's be real, the technology is moving so fast. How can we keep up with the ethical implications?
Continuous education is key. Projects like Hello Agents can help, but we also need open discussions about these issues.
For sure, and speaking of discussions, they encourage community contributions. That's a fantastic way to foster collaboration.
It really is. Getting diverse perspectives can only strengthen the project and its ethical framework.
So, what do you think? Could we see a future where these agents become integral parts of our daily lives?
I think so. Imagine AI agents helping with everything from travel planning to education. The potential is enormous.
But then we also have to consider job displacement. Could these agents replace human jobs?
That's a real concern. They could automate tasks, but they might also create new job opportunities in AI development.
It's a double-edged sword, isn't it? We need to be proactive about reskilling the workforce.
Exactly. It's essential to prepare for these changes rather than react when it's too late.
Let's circle back to the practical aspects of Hello Agents. They really emphasize hands-on learning, which I love.
Me too. The idea of building your own agent from scratch is empowering. It gives a sense of ownership.
And it's tailored to different skill levels, which is a great way to bridge that knowledge gap we talked about.
Absolutely. They provide everything from basic concepts to advanced techniques, making it a holistic learning experience.
So how would someone get started? I remember they mentioned online resources.
Yes, they have an online reading option that makes it super convenient. No downloads needed.
That's so user-friendly, and I love that they're open source. That really encourages community engagement.
For sure, it fosters collaboration and innovation, which is vital for advancing AI technology.
It's exciting to think about where this could all lead. The future of AI agents seems bright but also filled with challenges.
Definitely, it's a thrilling intersection of technology, ethics, and community. Can't wait to see how it all unfolds.